Okay, everybody, what are you doing there? If you're thinking about using ChatGPT to optimize some code, I'm the guy who's going to show you now how that works. And we're going to do HTML code because I'm writing this, doing this little Node.js project here for an app, for a little web app I'm making, just as a test, just for content, and hopefully it turns into something else. It kind of looks crappy, indentations all off. So I'm going to put it in, well, maybe I should show you first. Oh man, I don't know the password. Hold on, I gotta get the password here. Select star from users. Oh no. Password. Oh. Yeah. So, I might as well. This is it right now. It's just really ugly, unformatted data tables. We're going to clean this up with in a minute later with material design. But what I've said to it is I pasted my code in here and I said, can you optimize my dashboard.html page in my Node.js project? Here it is. And what it did was it started to give me, here are a few optimizations I can make your dash. Yeah. And then I'm going to say here, sure. Or no, what I said is I'm talking about the code. I want you to make the code look pretty and presentable and reduce unnecessary lines. So it gave me this, and let's have a look. We have here 135 lines, and now we're down to 82. I'm gonna save that, and we will see if this still works. Wow, it does. It does, and actually it fixed the code too, believe it or not, because I had been having tons and tons of trouble with the formatting here. But look, it took away my my darn table head. So maybe we gotta add that back in there. What the heck? Oh, I apologize for the mistake. You son of a gun. And look, also, it errored at this long response, too, so. If you can believe it. Freaking ChatGPT kind of sucks sometimes, dude. Not gonna lie. And, yeah, there it is. The A class nav bar end, okay. Dashboard. It's funny because you have to break your project up into more manageable pieces if you want to use ChatGPT to do it. You have to stripe over your work and iterate a lot. It's kind of a pain. Interesting. Let's see if this fixes it. Ooh, we doubled up, bro. We had a quick double up. Where do I put the script, though? That's the question. Do I put this in here or something? Nope, it's not the way that works. Oh yeah, well there, maybe it goes in there, right? Div container mt5 through the end of the div. Yeah, why don't we do welcome to your dashboard through the end of table head, which is right before the end of the table. Yeah, now we got it. But the problem is that these long table titles they overflow a bit. See if that helps. Little bit. Little bit. Occupancy. Anyway. That's how you can optimize your code poorly using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.